the seesaw. Teeter, totter, what fun. And from D the same. Teeter, totter, what fun. And from E the same. Teeter, totter, what fun. Put your finger one on the corner, on the small corner here, and make like a small window your hand that you will have curved fingers. Back and forth we see, so. And from B, back and forth we see, so. Close the lid of the piano. Put both hands on the lid of the piano. This is the song Frog Hop. Left, right, left, right, 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 left. Left, right, left, right, 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 left. Open the piano. Put your hands on the group of 3 black keys. Left, right, left, right, 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 left. Be sure that you play solid 3 black keys. Solid, right, left, right, 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 left. The walking song. You need your right hand and left hand on the group of 3 black keys. Walk, 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 oh. Good beat. Next song. You will need to play repeat sounds. The name of the song is 2 questions. Is your hand position ready? Are your quarters always steady? The song Old Clock. Two black ants and 2 black birds. 2 black ants digging down to their hole in the ground. 2 black birds flying high, going up to the sky. Goodbye, guys. Enjoy your practice.